Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that quietly shapes modern warfare across the globe. Israel is known as one of the world's most advanced military technology hubs, and its defense systems are not limited to its own armed forces. Many countries rely on Israeli technology to strengthen their security, improve surveillance, and gain battlefield advantages. Israel's defense industry grew out of necessity. Surrounded by security challenges, the country focused early on innovation, speed, and real-world testing. This approach made its military technology highly attractive to other nations looking for proven systems rather than theoretical concepts. One of the most well-known users of Israeli military technology is the United States. Despite being a global defense giant itself, the U.S. actively cooperates with Israel on multiple defense projects. Systems like missile defense interceptors, advanced radar, and drone technologies are either jointly developed or directly sourced from Israel. The Iron Dome missile defense system is a perfect example. While primarily designed to protect Israeli cities, its technology has influenced missile defense research worldwide. The United States has even purchased Iron Dome batteries to study and integrate parts of the system into its own layered defense network. India is another major user of Israeli military technology. Over the past 2 decades, defense cooperation between India and Israel has expanded rapidly. Israel supplies India with advanced drones, surveillance systems, radar technology, and precision-guided munitions. Indian armed forces use Israeli UAV for border monitoring, maritime surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. These systems are valued for their reliability, long endurance, and ability to operate in challenging environments, including deserts and mountainous terrain. Azerbaijan is often cited as one of the most significant users of Israeli military tech in recent conflicts. Israeli-made drones, loitering munitions, and intelligence systems played a notable role in Azerbaijan's military operations, drawing global attention to Israel's unmanned warfare capabilities. The use of loitering munitions, sometimes called kamikaze drones, demonstrated how relatively small systems could change the balance on the battlefield. This exposure increased interest from other countries seeking cost-effective precision strike options. European countries also rely heavily on Israeli defense systems. Germany, for instance, has acquired Israeli drones for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering missions. These platforms are used for overseas deployments as well as NATO operations. Italy, the UK, and other European states have purchased Israeli radar systems, missile components, and electronic warfare tools. Many European militaries see Israeli tech as combat-proven, which reduces uncertainty when deploying systems in real operations. In Eastern Europe, countries facing regional security concerns have turned to Israeli surveillance and border security technologies. These include advanced sensors, command and control software, and unmanned systems designed to detect threats before they escalate. Asia-Pacific nations are also significant customers. Singapore has long maintained close defense ties with Israel. Israeli technology influences Singapore's training systems, battlefield networking, and air defense strategies. South Korea has worked with Israeli firms on radar, missile defense components, and avionics. These systems support South Korea's layered defense posture in a region where rapid response and early warning are critical. Australia has incorporated Israeli technology into its military modernization efforts. This includes drone systems, electronic warfare tools, and advanced targeting solutions designed to integrate with Western platforms. Latin American countries have also adopted Israeli military technology, particularly in surveillance and internal security roles. Brazil, Colombia, and Mexico have used Israeli drones and monitoring systems for border control, counter-narcotics operations, and intelligence gathering. These systems are often chosen because they offer strong capabilities without the political complications sometimes associated with larger arms suppliers. Israeli firms are known for customization, adapting technology to local needs. African nations represent another important group of users. Countries dealing with insurgencies or border security challenges have purchased Israeli surveillance systems, drones, and communication equipment. In many cases, these technologies are used to monitor vast territories where traditional patrol methods are inefficient. Israeli systems provide real-time data and improved coordination between security forces. One reason Israeli military tech is so widely used is its emphasis on electronic warfare and cyber capabilities. Many countries seek Israeli expertise in protecting networks, jamming enemy communications, and defending against cyber threats. Israel's experience in cyber defense has made its technology especially attractive to nations concerned about modern hybrid warfare, where attacks are not limited to physical battlefields. Naval technology is another area where Israeli systems are exported globally. Advanced naval radars, missile defense systems for ships, and coastal surveillance tools are used by multiple countries to protect ports and sea lanes. Some nations integrate Israeli systems into their existing Western or locally produced platforms. This flexibility makes Israeli technology easier to adopt without completely redesigning military infrastructure. Drone technology remains Israel's most influential export. From small tactical UAV to long, endurance surveillance drones, Israeli platforms are used for intelligence, reconnaissance, and strike missions worldwide. These drones are valued for their reliability, secure communication links, and ability to operate for long periods without detection. Many countries see them as force multipliers rather than replacements for traditional aircraft. Training and simulation systems are another lesser known but critical export. Israeli companies provide advanced simulators for pilots, tank crews, and command staff, helping militaries train more efficiently and safely. These systems often incorporate real combat data, making training scenarios more realistic and effective. This practical edge gives Israeli solutions a strong reputation. Despite the widespread use, Israeli military exports are closely regulated. The government controls which technologies can be sold and to whom, balancing economic interests with diplomatic and security considerations. Some countries face restrictions or receive downgraded versions of systems, especially when dealing with highly sensitive technologies. This controlled approach helps Israel maintain strategic advantages while still exporting globally. The global demand for Israeli tech continues to grow as warfare becomes more technology-driven. Precision, intelligence, and speed now matter more than sheer numbers, and Israeli systems are designed with these priorities in mind. Another key factor is real-world testing. Many Israeli technologies are refined through operational use, which appeals to buyers looking for systems that have already faced real threats. At the same time, partnerships often go beyond simple purchases. Joint development, technology transfer, and co-production agreements allow countries to build local capabilities while benefiting from Israeli expertise. Looking ahead, Israeli military technology is expected to expand further into artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and next-generation cyber defense tools. Countries already using Israeli tech are likely to deepen these relationships. As global security challenges evolve, the influence of Israeli defense technology will remain significant. From missile defense to drones and cyber systems, its footprint can be found across multiple continents. Understanding which countries use Israeli military technology helps explain modern military trends and the quiet networks shaping global defense strategies. If you found this breakdown useful, stay tuned for more deep dives into global military technology and defense developments from around the world.